Everybody out there, hello, welcome to Trading for All Audiences. My name is Ian. I'll be your host today and every day on Trading for All Audiences. Here we're trading the NQ futures, and we've got rumors / newses of a peace deal in the Middle East, so we are long on the market. Staying long on the market. We are currently up about $1,100 on the day, just looking to get my consistency out. We are currently up about $1,100 on the day, just looking to get my consistency out at the tippity top. This is a trailing drawdown account on Take Profit Trader, which is a bit of a frustrating game to play. So we're going to make sure we get out near the top of this move so we don't give any of it back. All right,
order filled.
There we go. Did this maintain? I think we got maybe a couple dollars off. Oh, good. Very good. Up $11.55.50 on the day. $1,155.50 on some micro trades. I just got out of this. Again, it's a frustrating trailing drawdown situation. Let me fire up an eval. Now that you've seen me hit, I got really nice roundish number here, up $11.55 on the day. Just full transparency, the next gens that I've been trading over here. Ooh, a little bit of a rejection. That's interesting off the 400 level. The next gens are gone. I had two over there that are toasted today. But I have one more eval to trade with y'all today. It's going to be a short one today, guys, because I'm in the green and I'm in the weak green. I hope the green, seafoam green, chargers. As we say here on Trading. Excuse my language. That'll be a June job. All right, Lens, give me my eval. Gonna do this on the bigs. Seems like I don't have any accounts over there. Okay, well, maybe we're not gonna trade on legends. They definitely billed me, so I'm gonna talk to those motherfuckers. All right, so we can instead trade. I got a couple of payout today from TopStep. Rules are important. Golden rule: take a payout. That account is frozen the next day while we make sure we don't fucking blow it. We're feeling extra happy. I'm seeing oil. Let's go back to our Daddy Mac chart. Why are you not saving trading view? Well, we're pushing. Pushing. All right. NVIDIA, nice push. Is going to lead the way to the high side. SMH been selling off today. That's okay. I think the market is just waiting to hear the final yes out of the president's mouth that the deal's done. He loves making it. This is the time for him to make the deal. On a new fix. This would be a time to be long. Let's see. Which one is are working on? You. Oh, cool. Awesome. I get long. Okay. However, CL is the issue right now. Pumping with the market. That is a confusing situation, so it's not a clear indicator just yet. Now, we are above all the rips levels. Okay, waiting. This is just a 50K. This is a velocity account, I think they call it. All right, want to see this rejection continue here, but that's very suspicious, guys. Highly sus. All right, we were looking for some rips levels before the X got up in the mix. Really proud of my trading today, guys, on the TPT. Full bull, full long up. Got to see oil hit a rejection off of 88. I don't trust this move till I see red on oil. Let's go to the 2-minute. My thesis is oil down, VIX down, market up. Currently, we're going VIX up, market up, oil up. This is a nice rejection from the 88-ish. Didn't quite make it there. Look for a pop when it hits these EMAs. It didn't really reject from anywhere in particular. Like, it didn't even quite hit those wicks. It's a very sus rejection on oil because now VIX is rolling up. So this happened yesterday during the move. Oh, market's gonna go. Market's gonna go. VIX is bouncy here. Top wick on the 5-minute on oil. That's cool. Check out the 5-minute chart. This is maybe why the market's pressing at the moment. I still don't love it because the VIX bounciness is a little sketch to me. Check out the 5-minute. See that top wick there? But it could have took it. Could have took it. I think I only get 4 anyway. We're still up on the oil. It's a 10-point bounce on the market. Oh, Ripsy level. Next one up. Next stop. 76. Above it. 376. 25. Boop. And then above that, you can see the rips levels are actually not totally working great today. I got burned on a couple of those, but that's not my fault. That is my fault. It's not Ripsy's fault. Totally my fault. So 30,000, 439, 475. Yeah, this goes to 376 to 475. Pretty big chunk of real estate here. We're looking for 75.50. See? Nice press. I don't totally buy it though. Obviously I didn't buy it. We're fighting against this sort of local high right here. I don't know if this is, maybe we're hearing the news. I'm not hearing any squawk that's indicating this move. So since I don't understand it, I'm not participating. I do like that candle right there. We get below these EMAs. I just feel like this bounce on oil and this bounce on VIX is gonna dunk us. So let's just see what happens up here at this resistance around 450, 440 actually is really where we're looking. 30,440 resistance. Oil not giving it up just yet. VIX getting a little bouncy, kind of rejecty now. Huh. Okay, interesting. There's the VIX Prime diving. But again, we're at this resistance. We're testing the 40 level. Let's see what happens. 87.79 on the oil. I'm gonna switch this back to the 2-minute. You see how that candle kind of went from red to green? And we're holding the 2-minute EMAs. I'm not bearish oil yet. Look at the fucking bounce on that motherfucker. I still think oil picks up 87.50 maybe in slingshots. UVXY is getting spicy there. Pretty good rejection. Check out the 2-minute. Yeah. Uh-oh. We're hearing that Al Jazeera is reporting that the announcement may be just about ready. All right, I'm just going to get long on 2. You know, it's kind of, I think this is good news. I think this is where the market flies. Currently, we are a little frozen. That's not awesome. Oh boy. Oh boy. I might have longed the top. Did we long the top? Let's break above that 440 now. Ah, there it is. Very good. Very good. I'm going to take one off there. I'm going to put my next stop in profit. We're not fucking around here, guys. Even on an eval. Lackadaisical. Stop is in at 38. If we hold 40, I don't see why we'd go back there anytime soon. Oil got a little dumpy, but it's held the EMAs. I don't trust this move whatsoever, but I took the flat top breakout or whatever this thing is. And you know what? I'm going to go ahead and just take my profit because I still think this is highly sus. Profit was taken. We're up $268 on this Velocity eval and FundedFutures family. FundedFutures family. I gotta cancel those guys. They love their rebuilding. In fact, on that note, let me just make sure I don't want to rebuild. Yeah, yeah. Watch out for like a hanging man situation here. Shooting star. Look at that. Told you to watch out for the hanging man or potential shooting star doji. We call this the evening star has appeared, everybody. Heads up. Evening star doji on the 2-minute on NQ. We definitely need to break above 50 or this is going to look a little sus, just as I've been saying. Oil heading down to its EMAs. Let's see if it gets the bounce or see if this evening star doji plays out. It would technically be a short, but I'm not getting short this market. Unless we hear that the deal is off, we are long. We're going up. Not trying to be too smart for this. Market hates the war, although we're at all-time highs. It doesn't make sense. Just go with the fucking trend. Okay, market's getting a little spicy here. Oil, little dumpy. Pushed, then dumped. Pushed, then dumped. That's the 88 rejection that I've been looking for. Oil stays under 88, we go up. VIX got a little pop here. Announcement might be imminent. Uh-oh, we're getting dumped. We're getting dumpy. Okay. Watching out to seeing the evening star doji. We're fighting it. We're fighting it. Turn that candle green. Turn that frown upside down. Let's go up. Hey, and it's a good trade. We're green on the trade. Hey, we're green. Get above the doji. I'm gonna take one off in profits. There is a lag on my trade of 8. All right. It's fun when we win. It's fun when we win. Evening Star Doji still fighting us. Where stop is a break even. Oh, stopped out. Still a green trade. We'll take it. A couple $100 on that trade. Yeah, we're up 371. We're up 371. I'll get back into that long. Look at that dump on oil. That's what I wanted to see. I got back in on the EMA test. This is on the 1-minute chart. 2-minute is at 420. It's my next entry. VIX got a little bounce. 87, 82 on the oil. 83 now. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. It's testing the evening star doji. Oh, no! No, we're fine. This is one of those days that they don't overthink it. Look at that. Look at the VIX volume, guys. Yikes. What is happening? 87, 85 on oil. You stay under that 88, you oily bastard. You slick motherfucker. There we go. That's the 88 rejection on oil that sends us up. Testing the bottom of that evening star doji. They really wanted it to play out. Oh, whoa! Oil's not cooperating though. Oil's not cooperating. Oil bounce there would certainly send it. No.
Order filled.
I added more. I am along 3 now on this bounce. Send it up. Yep.
Order filled.
Yep.
Order filled.
Yep. Yep. Stop is at break even. I just lowered my cost basis into a hammer candle because we took the evening star doji and we dunked on it. That's how we do it. Oh no, another one. Oh, another one. We might get stopped out, but I don't mind. This is a stop in profit. It's not break even. It's gonna be $100 profit. There it is. Stop down. Now this is a true evening star doji. Check this out. This is why I'm not fucking with this anymore today. Look at this. Look at this. Look at that. On the 10-minute. Ugh. Little gross. Little gross. 2-minute looks real bad. 5-minute double hanging man. Double hanging man. Evening stars on top of evening stars. You should probably get short here if you really believe in that stuff. Me, I believe that the market likes low oil. And so we're going to go up. Technical analysis is great, but macro wins every time. Oil's dumping to the EMAs. Get below that 87.50 and we'll have a party. It'll be an oily party. Actually, it'll be a very dry, clammy, chalky party because we'll be out of oil. Oil will no longer be bothering us. All right. I like the more downside for the oil, but we could get the bounce here. All these evening stars, they're tempting the shorts in right here. They're luring them in with the bait. The hook is baited. The hook is the shape of an evening star doji, and the bait is all-time highs. But oil, it just has different ideas. I got long. I don't want to see this play out. I want to see us go up. Let's see. I say fuck them bears. See what happens. Who's right? Who's wrong? Vic's a little poppy here too. I added one. Ooh, those evening star dojis are playing out. Oh, there they go. I added another. Oil got that bounce off the EMAs. Oof. Oof. 408 would be the next stop.
Order filled.
All right, full port. This is a $27 account. I'm not taking it too serious here. I think this is our bounce spot. Those evening star dojis totally played out, didn't they? Bears got a little life in them here. Oh, dumping it further. Dude. Dumperoo. Oil too, though. Oil's going down too. This is the bounce spot. There we go. Hold that 408. Looking good. Took a little heat there. I'm not afraid. I'm not afraid of my $17 investment. $27, whatever it is. Okay, love the VIX rejection. Send us back to the top. Put some stops there. Oh, Trade-Evade hates this. Trade-Evade hates this one simple trick. Put in some stops. Stop losses. Oh, gross. I don't like that top wick at all. Wow. Yeah, it really does not like clicking the screen here. All right, stops are in. Uh-oh. It put in another evening star off of our bottom here. That does not bode well. Let's see how it plays out. Okay. VIX is getting a little spicy too. Gotta get above the top of that work. We could mega dump here, you guys. Mega dump. Mega dump. Yeah, it's trying. It's thinking about it. Oil's dumping too, though. VIX is getting a little spiced. It's like a spiced apple. It's testing the top of that wick. I don't know, you guys. Our entry's right on top of the EMA. That could get gross. That could get nasty. Could be nasty. What's gonna happen? I see oil heading directly to the downside. We picked up our EMA liquidity. We're heading to the north side. Oh, we rejected. It's okay. We're not scared. VIX rejecting. New lows on the VIX. Let's go to new highs in the market. Oil dropping. Not working out as fast as I would like it to, but I still think the move is in our favor. Entries at 424. We're at 422.75. That's the tease in the profit. We got green for a second. We're green. We're mega green. Mega green. All right, I'm out of 3.
Order filled.
I'm out of 4.
Order filled.
All right, my stop is now in at break even. That's how you manage the trade. Now, could I have held for longer? I could have, but I took the safe exit where the resistance is, and then I let my runner run. VIX could put in a mega bounce right here. Oil could bounce off the 87.50. Any number of horrible things could happen to our trade. That's why we take profit. As we say at Trading for All Audiences, see green, take green, see foam, green chartreuse. That's how we do it. Now, this is not a trailing drawdown account. I can let this boy run. Run, baby. Runners can run now. We've picked up both EMAs off the brilliant YOLO ad here at the bottom. I was not afraid by the second Evening Star doji. It actually formed a little bit of a bottom doji on the 2 minutes. So F you to the Evening Star. Here's also the VIX bounce, oil bounce that I've been a little bit worried about. That oil 5 minute though is a beaut. She's a beaut, because we just cut through so many support levels. Check that out. We sliced. It was a great hold. Look at my exits. Look at my closes over there. Picked the right time to close. Found the resistance. We're below 87.50 on oil. We're gonna head higher. All right. I reckon the consistency over here is like 1600. Let's see if I get there. VIX 87.40 oil with a little bit of a bottom wick. Ooh, could be a nasty little bounce. It's got in store, but this is a runner, so we're letting it run. This is the strategy here. What we do is we move up our stops, moving up stops. Good rejection right here. That's why we moved up our stop. We're right below this EMA. So if we kind of lose this candle right here at 26-ish, we'll get stopped out. This is a profit stop. 1 minute hanging man. Excuse me just a minute. All right. There's the rejection. Do we get stopped out? We did. We stopped. Woo. Up 855.88. Again, it's not a trailing drawdown account. I'm not scared. Now that bounce on oil over 87.50, as explained, is the catalyst now to the further downside. There's the oil bounce, VIX bounce. Told you this whole thing was a little sus, but we're just following the trend. Two-factor authentication. Tempted to get in the long here if I see a further rejection from oil, but this 400 level, I don't know if it's very pivoty. It doesn't seem super pivoty to me. Little poppy on oil. We got to see it lose 87.50. Those 50 pivots have been key on this whole move on oil. We identified that on the first move up when the war began. These 50 pivots are crucial. Got to get back under 87.50 to really convince me there. Oh, interesting candle. Interesting candle. I'm getting a little bit long off that candle. That has a cool little hammer candle. It's an itty bitty little hammer, but look, there's no more sellers. Let's see if it's true. Let's see if it's true or they're lying. Buyers are pushing these sellers out of the way here. Again, technical analysis doesn't mean much. The macro wins, but it does count for something. Let's go up. Boop. I'm out of one. It's a little scalp. It's just a little scalp, and now my stop's at break even on the other one because I don't know if I trust that candle completely, but it, you know, it was a $200 little profit. Look at that top wick.
Stop.
I took the chance. I just took the chance. It was no big deal. We're now rejecting these EMAs from above. Now, I am long biased because I think at any moment we're going to get the God candle, the Trump candle saying that it's all good in the Middle East, peace in the Middle East, we solved it all. Oh man, June 14th was a tough one. Oh, I'm hearing, and there's an ad playing somewhere. Okay, there's the 87.50 test on oil. Uh-oh. Market's not totally buying this support right here. Again, I wasn't sure how pivoty 400 really was. The real pivot is in the 80s. This 80 level, this open level. Nice little gray candle there. I always like playing off those. They tend to be pivoty. Oh, but it's a bear flag pivot. Okay, VIX down.
Order filled.
Oil still below 87.50. Thesis is strong. I longed off of 400 again. Thesis is intact. Trying to push it though. Look at all those red candles. Not scared though. I think this might be seller exhaustion. VIX diving, oil pivot. Doesn't seem to be holding. Under 400 there. Whoa, big dive. Don't know what that's coming from.
Order
I had
filled.
That's a dip below 400. Pretty serious one too. My average is 402. Oil's in free fall. Somebody's lying. VIX down, oil down, market down, confusion everywhere. Don't hear any news in the squawks. Would have liked this bounce to start to materialize a bit faster. Let's get back over 400 for your boy. Oh, big dump. Big dumperoo down to the 90s. I'm taking one more right here off of this EMA. This is a magical EMA. You may or may not know. I don't see anything indicating. Oh, there's the God candle! I told you it was happening! There's the God candle! Oh no, it's going down! What do we do? I added another one. Sure, it's the God candle. Oh, where do we go from here? Oh my God, where are we going? There goes oil. There goes VIX. Which direction will it go? I'm long. I got long. Boop. Out of one. Stop is it. I think we're actually above consistency on this one, but fuck it. God candle. I told you it was coming. Told you it was coming. Squawks haven't caught up yet. I don't pay for the premiums. I'm just listening on Twitter. Did not give continuation on the God candle, which is a little ungodly if you ask my opinion. I'm gonna just take my profit right there. 14.50 on the day. That was a silly sequence of events. I don't hear anybody squawking at me, so I couldn't tell you what's happening. There was some kind of really big volatility candle. Oh no, we're diving. Glad I took my profit. I'm actually just gonna find a different account to trade since I've reached consistency. That's as much as I can make in that account. Am I trading on here?
Order rejected.
Nope, can't trade that one. I'll trade this one. Oh, hey, I can trade this one.
Order filled.
I just want to be long. It's gonna be good news. Or, counterpoint, Donald Trump may say, fuck peace. We're not getting any peace. But he wants to be, he wants the Nobel Peace Prize. He lusts for it. He thinks about it in his private times, in his quiet moments when he's not rage tweeting. He's thinking about that Nobel Peace Prize. He's like, I'm gonna be the guy. I start the war, I end the war, but more importantly, I end the war. God candle incoming. This is fun. This is fun. You guys are fun. Oh, it would have been cool to stay in that TPT long, even in the we caught the very bottom of this in that eval. Oh no, in that funded, excuse me, just with the trailing drawdown ridiculousness. This is still working. I'm gonna go ahead and just put a stop down here at break even. Just as we call this knife insurance. I call this knife. Okay, gonna try and figure out how much does a rapid account cost on my funded futures. Their website hates my computer on my funded futures. Oil is still diving. Oil definitely didn't like that news, whatever that news was. Still, we got no headlines to speak of here. We are trending to the downside on the VIX base 1531. Chop. And the market are gonna send us up. They're just trying to theta burn anybody who went long. That's my theory. It's not the best theory. Uh-oh, oil bounce. VIX bounce, oil bounce, careful. Caution. Caution. Yes, I know I failed that challenge. I failed all of my challenge. Oh. Okay, now. Don't want to reset. Ugh, sorry guys, this is gonna be lame. There we are. I'm just curious. This is my funded futures. Just curious, what does your rapid plan with? Yeah, it's already that price. I don't have to get that. deal, good deal. Good comps. Do want to keep that. Would have loved to take advantage of that flash sale last night, but was not meant to be. Okay, so don't need any more accounts right now. Just making sure, because I canceled some of those. Okay, oil got the bounce, but VIX got the rejection. We're staying long, not taking our profits yet. We're gonna see what happens on this. I still think God candle incoming. I called it to the minute. There's the God candle. I still think there's a God candle incoming. It top waked, but I did call that. It happened live. You saw it. I saw it. There goes the oil. Let's get below 86.50. Make it official. Light this candle. Let's light this oil well. Hopefully not. So when I say God candle, I mean a fucking God candle that sends us to the high, the hizzy. We're nowhere close. These are baby gods. These are demigod candles. At the very least, we should get to 75, which is 40 points up, aka $800 more. AKA, I could reach consistency on this eval on one trade, one mini. That could be a cool. That'd be a cool flex. Tempted to add here. I still think we launch. We just collected the EMA. 86.71 oil. Interesting. Interesting. I reckon this will probably be my last trade of the day. This oil is bottoming. VIX has curled a little bit. Would have loved to lose the 86.50. VIX getting volume. Let's be cautious here, everybody. There's the VIX rejection and oil at 86.55. Send it on down. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Oh, look at the lovely bounce. We played this bounce on the other account. We could have just held one the whole time. Instead, we YOLO'd. Live by the YOLO, die by the YOLO. All right, we're below 86.50. Let's see if it gets a bounce there. 86.51, immediate bounce, as I said it. Let's send it down. We're below the prior day low. We're below the overnight low. Unless oil gets a massive recovery, we are going all-time highs today. That is what? At least high of the day, which we rejected from the all-time high. Okay, so you heard it here first. Another 100 points up from here. 100 points up from here. You heard it here first. I probably won't be here. I will have ended the stream by then, but in any event, I'll probably, you know what? I'm going to end it right there. Oh, there goes oil down. Dunk it. That's a two-handed tomahawk. Skadunk. All right, well, I'm going to let this run. We're halfway to getting it where we want it to be. And I'll see you at the high. I'll also see you tomorrow, because I'm done for today. We are green on the day, green on the week. Hope you are too. I guess for posterity, I gotta just do the total. Let's do the total game. And I'll give you my proof positive that I got the TopStep payout. All right, we're gonna log off of this. Here we go. All right, oil got a bounce. So we're testing the 86.50 level now. All right. Payouts. Funds sent. $1,900 payout. That's $2,000 when I asked for it, but that's okay. So I'm not going to trade it, but especially because we're putting in another Evening Star Doji, we're going to go TopStep X trade. Not gonna trade it. All right, 2,000 left in there after a $1,900 payout. We're gonna just call that 4K. Well, it was twice that, so it was at 4,200. Oh, snap! Snapped off the 450s. Oil back above 86.50. Who gives you the best pivots? It's me. Not gonna trade it. We'll call that. All right, I'll use the real math. 2,075 plus my 1907 payout. Gotta see what I'm at. I think it's $13.99 on my funded TPT. Which means that I've ended this month up $5,381 in funded accounts. $1,900 in the bank. Not gonna push it to get any more payouts this month. That's okay. We got a payout at the end of the month. Last trading day of the month. I was a little unsure. I thought maybe Monday would be another day of May, but I was wrong. It's gonna be June freaking 1st. Looks like we have bottomed on the VIX. Oil found a little bit of a bottom. Might come back to test the prior day low. That prior day low rejection on oil, this 87-ish rejection, would be a glorious long on the market. So watch out for that. I'll be watching for that. I'm going to sit in this long. I still think God candles. I think these are all people who are like prematurely like, ooh, volume, God candle. No, just you heard me. I was excited too. It's hard to not get excited. I'm tempted to add here. I see this 86.50 super reject on oil. Add a little bit more meat to this sandwich. A little bit of a hanging man. We're on the lower EMA, oil at 86.50-ish. A little rejection from the VIX. It's riding its EMA downside. I almost never add on top of a mini. Ooh, I'm gonna do it on the micros. This is the cool thing about trading in prop firms and Trade-Ovate and such. You can go from minis to micros to minis to micros. So I want 20, not 120, just 20 micros. Try and catch this bounce. Oh, nope. Bounce is not happening. Not happening. Okay, 86.60 on oil. 59. All right, I got along 20 micros on what I think is the oil rejection, although that's a little bit of a bottomy look. I better not put in a green candle there because that is like a little morning star reversal. Oh geez, oil with a morning star reversal potential setup here on the 2-minute, 5-minute. Careful. Caution. Caution. Just managing this position beside my 1 mini position. So technically I'm long 3 minis from here. This is just an eval, by the way. Not gonna risk my $5,300 a month. Stopped out. Son of a... Yeah, Morningstar reversal to the oil. Down 450 on the account now. All right. Flipping the chart. I was so confident. This is exactly why we try not to have a bias. I got a little married to my bias. I saw oil making new lows below the prior day low, and I just assumed that we had nowhere to go but up. Not to mention my love of God candles. I'm not a religious person, but I do love a good God candle. Here means I can get 2 more minis. Whatever, I'm in the trade. Got our bounce so far. Rejecting the EMA at the moment. Decision point. Still resisting the 419 where the EMA lives. Where the wild things are. Oh, love that push after we got stopped out. I'm gonna take off 10 right there in profits. And now I can get 3 minis over here if I really want to chase this candle up. Don't know if I believe it just yet. Again, 86.50 is the level there. Yeah. Back to break even. A little bit top wiki there for my tastes. There we go. Rejection on the VIX. Just gotta get oil to give up its designs of the Morningstar reversal. Nice push. Gotta get above 19. Oh, it's kind of stuffed on the 19. That looks like a short, y'all. Here goes oil. I love that wick on oil. I got in my mega backpack. Let's see how it goes. Long, technically 5 minis on this. That's out of 1 on my backpack side. I got 1 runner left. And let it run. Big green. Wasn't afraid for a second. Wasn't afraid for a second. Wasn't afraid for a second. Thesis is strong. Thesis is frozen. All right, well, on that note, the thesis remains. Watch oil, watch VIX. We chop, we go up. Who knows what's going to happen? My trade of 8's frozen. Looks good so far. We're up 200. Stops are in. Oh, stopped out already. Anyways, I still have faith in the thesis. Still have faith in the thesis. All in. All right. Gotta tune in next week to find out what happens to this trade. Ooh. Dumperoo. All right, well, you don't have to tune in next week to find out what happens to this trade. 400, will it hold? Oh my. Holding. There's the oil rejection. Oh, I love bottom wick. VIX is doing stuff. Oh, wow. Got to the entry and then dumped it again. I just got dumped on. Oh, 400 hold. Oh, it did not hold. And we're done for the day. Done for the day. All right, yeah, we're out of accounts.